factories like Minimex have continued operations despite the lockdown, and the company's executives say they have pushed on despite some few difficulties, though nothing serious has ever affected their production levels. When the lockdown began in March, there was a sharp rise in demand in the last 2 weeks of March, and our stocks were almost depleted. But as of April, we are operating to meet all demands with no problems, such that people get our flour easily. As for maize cobs, supplies have remained good thanks to the authorities, and so we are confident that there will be no more problems until we come out of this COVID-19 coronavirus problem. Minimex used to export 30% of the up to 80 tons of maize flour it produces daily, but not anymore, deciding to first meet local demand. But for other manufacturers like Pharmalab that exports millions of test tubes to countries in the region, exports have continued as usual, though some difficulties have arisen in some countries where their products and their raw materials are still coming in. Only factories producing the most essential products have been allowed to continue operations, and that is 40% of all manufacturers in the country, as confirmed by the Rwanda Association of Manufacturers. The industrial sector accounts for 16% of Rwanda's GDP, and the full impact of the pandemic on that particular sector is yet to be determined.